Hello, so my name is Jocelyn, and this week myself and Brittany will facilitate the discussion for Piazza. So Piazza is a free Q&A platform that is in a wiki-style format that enables collaboration in a single space. It also allows for anonymous posting, however the instructor can still endorse each posting. So now when I log in, I will log in as an instructor. So what you see today will be from the instructor point of view. The first place we will go to will be to manage class, just to see at basic features of Piazza. And here in class information is where you can access the sign up link. So this could be available in Blackboard for students to log in. And the next section, Q&A settings. So here's where the instructor has the ability to enable or disable students, the feature of allowing students to post anonymous. Also here, the teacher, can allow for private post. And the next section is for configure class folders. So here the instructor will create different folders. And each folder is used to organize each post, poll, or note that a student or the instructor creates. This way, these posts or polls or notes are organized and available to students easier. Next section, enroll professors or TAs. So this is where if it's more people in charge of the class, then you will add them here. In the next section, enroll students. Here, as the instructor, you have the option of either uploading a file or adding each email. Here, you can do more than one though. So this way, the students get an individual invitation. And here we go. Enable group-based discussions and course page settings. Next, we will go into the Q&A. So here is where the instructors and students can create new posts. So as I mentioned before, you can post a question, a note, or a poll in class response. So let's do colleagues' experience using Piazza. Let's make it a poll. And these are the folders. I can make this poll visible in multiple folders. So maybe in features and module 11 discussions, and the question can be, have you ever used Piazza? Then you give the poll choices. Yes. Can be a no. Okay. So then here you can put a poll close date. In this case, I will always leave it open. Then visible now, post. So then here, after you make it visible, the students can vote, submit, and there you can see the users and the total number of votes. Now let's create a question. So when creating a question, we will click on question, available to the entire class. And here, maybe I just want to make it visible under Piazza features. That's the title. The question could be, will you use Piazza? Why or why not? And there we go. So as the instructor, you also have the ability to say if it's a good question or undo good question. So these are the basic features of Piazza. Thank you for watching.